Yo, what's up YouTube world? I animate them, I review them. EricTron here, and it's time for another episode of Hanging with EricTron with Escobar TV45. Getting some coffee.
And I think it is finished.
It's finished? Alright. That's my latte. Look at that. This coffee is so creamy. I got me a cappuccino. Dad's got himself the regular brewed one, right? Mm-hmm. What kind of coffee?
I got an Americano.
An Americano?
Mm-hmm. I'm about to find out what it is.
I'm gonna try it without the sugar.
Okay.
Probably won't even get to put any sugars in it. Tastes alright, but probably need some sugar. So me and Escobar TV45, he took me out to go driving.
I did?
Yep. I don't think I did that bad. You think we might go for another round of driving?
Here, we're gonna do this every day until you get it right.
Alright, every day. This will be a daily thing. I'll be going driver's training for free, kinda.
What are you doing?
What's on your mind?
Nothing.
Nothing. Food smells great here. You might have to come here for lunch.
We will.
Gonna get lost in IKEA today. Man, IKEA looks so luxurious. Looks so beautiful in here. They got plants and stuff. Look at the beautiful furniture. Oh my gosh. It's so soft. Man, Kyron needs to teach me how to make thumbnails so that way I can, like, you know, make thumbnails for my videos. Look at that couch. Look at that fire extinguisher. Ah, man, I'm having too much fun in here. That beautiful price.
Good afternoon, IKEA customers. Would Cassidy Hendricks
that looks
please
relaxing.
return this call in? Cassidy Hendricks, please return this call in. Thank you.
What's this? Pillows. Donald Trump protests still going on.
Go to your Wi-Fi settings.
Yeah, it's a dead zone here. Now this looks like a good place to edit my videos and stuff. Minus a messed up computer. So IKEA, it would be a good tourist attraction place, right?
It is a tourist attraction.
I mean, it is, yeah. So if you come to Michigan, go to IKEA. They're putting money on a stove. Well guys, it's official. We are lost in IKEA. And this is not a clickbait. The loft bed. Wouldn't mind having this. Gives enough room space to make a big battle scene stop motion under here. Alright. Come on, buddy. So we might try that system out. Okay, so we had a bunk bed system, remember that? Yeah, okay.
What did you do to my white wing?
Okay, so remember when we had the Legends Transformers figures, right?
Okay.
So we would put Optimus Prime in it, and then we would like drop it from the top and then it would fall to the ground.
That's how you killed my white wing set, Eric?
Well, I mean, that was after, when it was like almost dead,
Now I know what happened to my white.
I mean, this was like when it was like already chewed up by the dog. But that did not kill it. I swear, that wasn't the reason.
That's how you killed my white wing.
I mean, like, we were like 8 years old at the time. I don't know why. It was just stupid. We did a whole lot of stupid stuff with some toys.
Alright, let's go downstairs.
So we found our way. We're not lost again. We're back at square one. Look at all them buggies. Alright, so this concludes our Hangin' with EricTron episode. So, like, comment, subscribe to Escobar TV 45 channel, and follow him on Instagram. And peace. We are out of here.